Hey there, YouTube. And today we are going to be replacing the wire spool in my Harbor Freight Titanium Welder. So we're going to open her up just like so. Undo your spool. This part is spring loaded. You take this and chuck her in there. You want to open up your feed like so. Grab yourself a pair of pliers because we got to get rid of the old wire. You can't feed wire on top of wire because it'll jam up in the gun. Like so. Once your wire is removed, you don't need your pliers anymore. You certainly don't need your wire anymore either, so we're going to throw that back in the truck. Then you got to open up your new spool. Yeah, it's something rattling here. I'm not sure what. Throw the trash in there. Pop your centers out. Pop your new wire off the spool itself. Oh, might need your pliers again, my bad. Like so. Break that busted end off. Now you don't need your pliers anymore. You're going to set your spool in there. Start your wire in the gun. Then you're going to lock your spool down like so. Remount your guide for your spool and the nut like so. You don't need it super duper tight because you got to be able to feed. Now I have the welder plugged into the 400 watt plug in the back of the truck here. You do not want to weld on that because it's only 400 watts and you'll blow it. But for the purposes of what we're doing, since I'm just running the spool through the gun, I could do this. Hold on. Make sure we're plugged in all the way. What if my switch turned off? Might have turned off because I had it running earlier. Make sure your inverter switch is on in the back. Now you want to run the wire. Oh, it would help. Well, it would help if I had it set up correctly. So the first part of that, just ignore, because it's been a while since I've done this, if I'm being honest. So let me flip this over. You want to feed it through the lever itself. There's actually a pathway through there. So I do apologize for that. That's my goof. My goof is not your goof. Then you want to feed it in there. Lock your spool down. Like so. Put your guide back on it. And then your nut. So that first part that I mentioned, just go ahead and ignore that. Now we're feeding. Might take a sec. We're getting there. It's not wanting to come out of the tip, so let me go ahead and pop the tip off real quick. Feed it like that. There we go, just like that. And now, welder's ready to go. So ignore my first little goof there. That's how you reload a spool in a Harbor Freight Titanium Welder. Hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys next time.